Look, I'm sorry, but you need to stop. Because when you're scrolling, looking at these influencers telling you to start a drop shipping business, you'll watch videos just like Mark's telling you to do drop shipping, affiliate marketing, crypto investing, how to make money with selling your cat's turds. And I'm here to show you they're doing the exact opposite of what they're telling you to do. I'm going to show you their lies right now, and then I'm going to tell you how to actually make real money online. If you don't believe me, then just keep watching. Could you imagine having 4.4 million subscribers and telling millions of people to start their own dropshipping store, but, oh wait, you don't have your own dropshipping store even listed in the description of your videos? Well, you are hawking a Shopify how to start your own AI Shopify store course. It's weird because across your entire channel, let's take a look. Why don't you have any videos actually showing or displaying your store in real time? Now listen, there are dozens, if not hundreds, maybe even thousands of channels all doing this exact same thing, trying to trick you into thinking they're an expert or guru in every single way there is to make money online. But they always show results, they always show proof. How do they do it? Here's the truth. What they do is they build an influence online, say on YouTube. Then using that influence, they make a little bit of money, let's say promoting AI tool or a dropshipping tool. Then they release and talk about, I'm an AI expert now. I'm a dropshipping expert now. Listen to me and buy my course on AI dropshipping, even though the only way I actually made money was from my influence with YouTube, not with being an actual guru on this particular topic. So I'm sorry that you've been lied to probably in dozens or hundreds of videos you've watched. And you deserve, however, the truth about how to actually make money, meaning and learning what is the best way for you to legitimately make a reliable income online with a real business that produces an income for you for months and years on end. Let me show you some realistic, actual, legitimate options that are available to you, unlike all of this other crap you're being fed by people who have never, ever once started their own dropshipping store that does millions of dollars online. You deserve the truth. So here's an actual walkthrough of how to make money online reliably, fast, and in a way that is profitable. By the way, I'm not going to tell you to do affiliate marketing. I'm not going to sell you some course that is the easiest thing you'll do in 10 seconds. I'm going to give you a sharp dose of actual reality, because unlike all these internet gurus who know what they're talking about, I like to base what I teach and what I preach in reality and not in... So, number one, it does not matter the niche you choose. Yes, regardless of what you are told, the niche means nothing, because all niches are profitable. There are millionaires making tons of money in crypto, in AI, in dropshipping, in any of these different niches. So if you're listening to someone other than me who's saying you should do this one thing, they're lying to you. They're feeding you a bunch of lies and bullcrap that you don't need. What you do need to do, if you want to make the most money possible, like you want to make, let me get a better color here for you, like you want to make serious money, the niche is not what matters. What does matter, what will make you extremely large amounts of money really fast, which of course is your goal, right? Like you want to make a lot of money really fast. What you need to do is a little secret thing. It's not a secret. It's actually well known that they won't tell you, because these gurus, influencers, and leaders are selling it to you directly. Yes, I'm going to tell you to do what all of these business people are actually doing themselves, not what they teach and preach, which is all fake lies. What you need to do is be in the high ticket niche. Yes, sell a product or service where your profit margin, not the total sale, your profit margin off of a single customer is at least $1,000 or more, preferably in the $2,000 to $5,000 range. Now you're going to hear this and go, whoa, this is hard. Not really, compared to the other option of you become an Amazon affiliate, like Tadberry teaches you, or you do drop shipping, like Andrew Tate teaches you, or do any of these other things these other people teach you to do. You want to make a 50 cent to $50 commission. If you are at 50 cents, in order to reach $5,000, like money that will make a difference in your actual life, you would have to sell 10,000. 10 times 1,000, yeah. 10,000 products. What's easier, a single $5,000 sale or selling 10,000 people something you make 50 cents off of, which is actually, it costs more than 50 cents. That's just your profit margin or how much you make. So don't do that. That is a load of horse. You know what? You don't want in your life. Get rid of that. Next, if you're selling a $50 product, it's going to take you not just 10, it's going to take you 100 times of selling a product to make that. Imagine if you sold a single thing that made you $5,000 or $1,000. It takes way less time, which is your number one asset. It makes you way more money from doing this. So my friend, if you want to make serious, real, actual money online, your number one thing you must do not listen to anything else you hear because they're all lying to you, is get in the high ticket space. Whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you go to profitalize.com and listen and watch my free training and free webinar where I actually teach you. I will teach you how to start your very own high ticket business using the same Profitalize method that Amazon, TikTok, and all these influencers and gurus teach you. The difference between watching this and following my method is I'm not going to teach you to sell someone else's product or to be an affiliate and make 50 cents a sale. I'm going to teach you how to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 in a single sale. Okay? If that sounds better to you, then go watch that. Otherwise, don't go to profitalize.com, but you should. Keep watching, because the other thing you must do if you want to make serious, real money online is you must automate your business. You must automate. Now, what does automate actually mean? Automate simply means in order to produce sales and leads and customers, aka build a business, you want it so your business makes money while you sleep. Now, this sounds amazing, but it's very difficult to do. I'm being honest. I'm not going to lie to you. But you can make it happen. What you need to do is you need an actual process, an actual sales process where you gather someone's attention, where you turn that attention into a lead. This is an eyeball. You gather their attention. You bring that attention to become a lead or prospect with you. And then, guess what? You follow up and turn them into a customer or a sale and make the cha-ching. Everyone else is telling you only half the story. When they're telling you about how to make money online, create an automated business of your own, start your own business of your own, they're saying all you need to do is create the offer and then you just make money. That's not how it works. You need to actually build out your own dedicated real sales process. Now, in this day and age, it's really easy and really simple. Now you can look up how to create your own funnel or your own sales process, or if you want to learn how to sell high-ticket product and services and build this automated sales process that brings you customers and do it in the number one niche or industry, which is high-ticket sales, just go to profitalize.com or profitalize.com/register. And that, my friend, is going to help you make real money online. Unlike all the other stuff these people are trying to shove down your throat to make money off you. I'm giving you what actually they are doing. They're telling you to do what they aren't doing. They're selling courses and making $10,000, $2,000 a sale, while they're telling you to do drop shipping and make 50 cents. You're free to do with this information as you wish. Enjoy, and I hope you loved the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if I told you the truth. I hope so.